Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Verizon Fios, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Verizon website. Navigate to the Fios section on the homepage. Click on the Get Fios or Shop Fios button. Choose the bundle or plan that suits your needs. Review the details of the selected plan, including pricing and features. Click on the Order Now button for the chosen plan. Enter your zip code to check availability in your area. Provide the necessary information about your address. Select any additional services you may want, such as internet security or TV options. Review your selections and make any necessary adjustments. Proceed to the checkout page. Create a Verizon account by entering your email address and a password. Fill in your personal information, including your name and contact details. Enter your payment information, including credit card details or bank account information. Review the order summary to ensure all details are correct. Click on the Place Order button to complete your registration. Wait for a confirmation email from Verizon regarding your order. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. If you opted for professional installation, schedule an installation date and time. Once registered, log into your Verizon account to manage your services. Enjoy your new Verizon Fios service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.